Hello students, this is our EVS class. You all have read the lesson being safe. Now here one activity is given. The pictures below tell a story. Observe the pictures carefully and answer the questions which follow. Now you can see here some pictures are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pictures are there. What is the boy doing? He is lighting the matchsticks. And after that something is burning here. The boy started crying. After that his mother comes and she sprays the fire extinguisher. Because of fire gets extinguished and the boy is happy. Now what do we understand from this story? That we should not play with the fire. It may hurt us. It is safe if we stay away from fire. Now in this lesson what we are going to study is safety at home, safety outside home, school, road, playground. Now what are the safety measures that we should take? Now at home, what is the safety? Safety means being out of danger. Safety means what? Out of danger. We should stay away from danger. Now what are the danger things? Our home keeps us safe. We must obey our parents and follow safety rules. Sometimes children do things that are not safe for them. Now whenever our parents are not at home, what the small children do? They try new things. They try to explore things which they don't know. So sometimes they get hurt. Now here see, take the things that are safe to do, cross the things that are not safe to do. Now here 3 pictures are given. See the first boy, what he is doing? He is burning the matchstick. So is it safe to do this? No. Why? Because fire may burn the skin of the boy. So it is not the safe. The girl is carrying the knife, kitchen knife. If she is not handling it properly, she may get the cuts on her skin. So it is also not safe. And the third boy, what he is doing? He is climbing on the table to take this jar. Now this jar is the glass jar. He may get hurt or he may get hurt on his head. So it is not safe to do these things without the parents' consent. See here, the boy is playing with wire. This is the iron wire and he is playing. He is not plugging it in the switch, but he is playing. It is in his hand. So it is also not safe. Now the girl is eating an apple. So it is the safe. And the students are playing and reading the book. So it is also the safe thing to do at home. Now we must follow safety rules to be safe at home. Here are few rules we must follow. Do not play with switches and plugs. What are the switches and plugs? These buttons which are used for the charging for electric appliances. Do not play with matchsticks or fire. We should not play with matchsticks because it may burn. Do not play with knives, blades or other sharp or pointed things. Also we should not play with knives, kitchen knives, blades or other sharp or pointed things. We may get hurt. Do not touch anything hot. You can burn your fingers. In case of an accident, be sure to inform an adult. We should not touch any hot things. We should not go in the kitchen without the parents' administration. You can burn your fingers. We may get burned. And even if that case happens, we should always inform our parents. Do not let strangers enter the house. Whenever our parents are not at home, we should not let the strangers come into your house. Do not touch switches with wet hands. You can get a shock. Whenever our hands are wet, we should not touch the switches or plugs. We may get a shock. Tick against the correct practice. See here, two pictures are given. Using a blade to sharpen a pencil and using a sharpener to sharpen a pencil. Which is the safe thing to do? If we are sharpening our pencil with a blade, we may get cuts on our fingers. So it is the very bad idea to do this thing. But when we are sharpening our pencil with a sharpener, it is the safest way. We will not get hurt. This is the small information. If you get a burn, spread toothpaste or keep ice over it as a first aid. It will give you some relief. Whenever our hands get burned, our fingers get burned, immediately we should spread toothpaste or ice over it so that we can get a relief. Keep safe outside home. When in school, when we are in school, which are the safety measures we should keep? Do not push anyone because it can hurt others. Do not run in the corridor. Do not bring or use sharp objects. Do not insert pencil or any other objects into your nose, ears, mouth or eyes. Now what are the things we shouldn't do in school? We should not push each other. Whenever we are going in a row in the class or whenever we are coming from the class, we should not push each other because it may hurt. Do not run in the corridor. We should not run from here and there. We may fall on the ground and we may get hurt. Should not bring or use sharp objects. We should not bring sharp objects to the school like the steel scale or any pointed things. Do not insert pencil or any other objects into your nose, ears, mouth or eyes. Whenever we are writing, some students are very habitual to play with the pencils. So we should not play with it. We should not insert into our nose, ears, mouth or eyes. When moving on road, we should follow traffic rules. Traffic rules we have to follow. Cross road only with elders. Use footpath to walk. Always cross at zebra crossing. Do not run on the road. We should not run on the road and we should always follow these traffic rules. Whenever it is red, we should only move on that time only. When it is green, we should not move from our place. We should follow the footpath. We should not go from the center of the road. When you play, after you finish playing, do not leave toys on the floor. Someone may trip over them and fall. Whenever we are playing our toys at home, after finishing playing, we should all gather our toys and keep at the one place so that no one will trip over them and fall. Do not play with sharp objects. Do not hurt anyone during games and do not play on the road. Whenever we are playing, we should not take sharp objects for playing and we should not hurt anyone during playing games. And we should not go on the road to play. Now, see, traffic light helps to control traffic. The red light says stop, the yellow light says wait, and the green light says go. Cross the road only when the walk signal is green. So you understood what are the traffic rules. This is the traffic signal, and you all must have seen this color changes. So whenever there is a red, we should cross the road, because the cars and all the vehicles stop on the red light. In this lesson, what we have studied: being safe at home, at school, on road, and during playing. So you all understood the lesson. You read it again.